right, guys, thanks for joining me for another episode. In this episode, I'm going to show you, if I can get that word out, I'm going to show you exactly how to install gutter edge on the gutters. Customer called us. Gutters were all clogged, stained up. They're clogged on the inside, obviously, stained up on the outside. So what we did was we removed the existing gutter guard, and we have cleaned the gutters out. And then we were also, he's going to be wiping down the gutters. I got one of my other guys here. He's actually the cameraman right now. He is going to be wiping down the gutter with the gutter edge cleaner. So I'm going to come in here, I'm going to install this gutter edge. He's going to wipe down the outside of the gutter. We already got the inside of the gutter clean. So once we install this gutter edge, we'll come back and just install the gutter guard. There's an outside miter on this gutter. So you're going to have to make a little bit of a miter cut. Basically, you'll lay it on the top of the gutter, just kind of outline it, just make the cut with your snips. So you got the piece of strip edge there. So that just clips onto the gutter just like that. Now your other piece here. Okay, this is going to go here. So as you can see, I got this piece in, and this other piece, I already had the miter cut on there. So you just clip it up to it. It doesn't always sit perfect with it. You draw it as close as possible, and it just clips into place just like that. So you come along, okay, clip it into the gutter, just like that. So I have that far corner piece in, I have this piece in, I've already gotten this piece in. I'm just going to continue down here. As you can see, you grab the gutter edge. So you come on here just like this. Just basically, now you can do this from the roof. I prefer the roof. I love it up here. I'm not really scared of heights. So you just go along clipping it in just like this. So, and that's it. Now what I'll do is I'll continue this all the way down, and then we'll install the gutter guard on top. You'll be good to go. So we're heading over here to the back of the gutter. As you can see, they got this gutter guard on there now. It had debris on top. We already went ahead and blew it off. And as you can see here, this is why we don't recommend that guard, because it ends up being a waste. Basically, you can see how the mess is attached to that gutter guard. Basically, it's just glued on. The glue ends up getting weak, old, ends up falling off. So that's it. So that's it. We're gonna go ahead and clean them out and install the new gutter guard. Any questions? Shoot that comment below. All right, so guys, I wanted to give you a quick update. We now have the gutter guard installed. We also have a product called Gutter Edge installed. So basically what we did is we removed the gutter guard. We end up repairing the gutter with some reinforced quick screw hangers, several different names for the inside hangers. We reinforced the gutter, we installed the gutter edge, and then the gutter guard. The gutter edge, if you like more information on that, you can search my channel, look up gutter edge. The gutter edge will eliminate the staining, and the gutter guard, obviously, you know what that will do. And as you can see along here, don't worry about that gutter guard in the tree. We're going to get that out. We threw it off and landed in the tree. Hopefully we can get it. So that's basically it, guys. You have any questions on this? Shoot a comment below. Thanks for watching. Until next time.